If you've been designing on Canva for a while now and wondering, how do I remove the background from my images? Then stick around, because in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's jump right into it. Now we're on a blank canvas, and the first thing we need to do is to add a photo to our canvas so that we can remove its background. You can either upload your own media using the Uploads tab right here, or you can use the Photos tab again in the same menu on your left and use the search bar over here to search for something that you want to include in your design. So for example, let's search for a dog. And you can scroll down through the photos until you see something that you like. I think I'll use this one. Alright, now that we have our photo, let's remove its background. Click on the photo and go to Edit Image over here on your top left. And there you will see a background remover feature. So go ahead and hit that one as well. And let's wait a couple of seconds while Canva does its magic. So what Canva does here is that it identifies the background and the subject in my image and removes the background from the subject. As you can see, Canva has done a great job in separating the background from the subject, so there's no need for fine-tuning. However, sometimes, especially when you remove background from images that have similar colored subject and backgrounds, this feature may not work as precise. And in that case, you can always use the erase and restore brushes over here to complete your image or erase the background from it. So this is how to erase background in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.